Hi everyone. Welcome to Lispend Campus. 10 sentence every day, perfect for beginners stepping into English. We'll practice simple sentences, break down keywords, and learn through listening, all in English. Let's get started. 1. Where are you going? Key phrase, where are you going? This is how you ask someone about the place they are headed to. 2. I'm hungry. Keyword, hungry. This means you need food or want to eat. 3. Do you like this? Key phrase, do you like this? This is how you ask if someone enjoys or approves of something. 4. I'll think about it. Key phrase, I'll think about it. This is how you say that you need time to decide or consider something. 5. Let me know. Key phrase, let me know. This is how you ask someone to inform you when they have an answer or update. 6. Can I sit here? Key phrase, can I sit here? This is how you ask for permission to take a seat in a particular place. 7. I don't feel well. Key phrase, I don't feel well. This is how you say you are sick or not feeling healthy. 8. I'll take this one. Key phrase, I'll take this one. This is how you say you want to buy or choose something specific. 9. What time do you open? Key phrase, what time do you open? This is how you ask about the opening hours of a business. 10. Can I borrow your pen? Keyword, borrow. This means to use something that belongs to someone else for a short time. These are 10 everyday phrases you can hear and use in real life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Keep practicing, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.
The breeze carries whispers, the stars softly glow. A rhythm eternal, only we know. Your hand in mine, the world melts away. Each step we take, the music leads our way. The congas are echo, the horns start to sing. In this sacred moment, we feel everything. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passions laid bare, we dance as one in the rhythm we share. Your smile ignites like a spark in the dark. Each motion a story, each glance a new spark. The melody wraps us like waves on the sea, bound by the rhythm, just you and me. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passions lay bare, we dance dance as one in the rhythm we share. The music speaks truths no words can convey. In your arms I'm home, where I long to stay. Let the rhythm guide us as stars lead the way. Our hearts are the music that will never stray. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passions lay bare, we dance as one in the rhythm we share. As the night fades, the rhythm will remain, a love everlasting in this sweet refrain.